Hello, Manchaca Cardinals. It's Miss Combs, and I am coming to talk to you about shapes, of course. So we know that some shapes, not all, have sides and vertices. Now, our sides are the straight parts on our shape, right? The lines, and our vertices are the corners where those lines meet. Okay, today we're going to talk about a special shape. That shape is a rhombus. Now, some of you may call it a diamond, but that's not the right word. All right, so we're going to talk about a rhombus. A rhombus, okay, it says, what is a rhombus? Can you guys tell me? Does anybody know what a rhombus is or what makes it special? Let's see. It says, a rhombus is a shape with 4 vertices and 4 sides that are all the same length. So for a shape to be considered a rhombus, it has to have sides that are all the same, okay? So another shape that I know that has all the sides the same is a square, right? So if we have a square, all the sides on our square are the same. Now a rhombus can be just that square, maybe like that. All the sides are still the same on that shape, okay? So I've drawn a couple of shapes here and I'm gonna uncover them and I want you to tell me, is that a rhombus or not? Remember, it has to have how many vertices? 4. And how many sides? 4. And what's special about those sides? They have to be the same, okay? So let's look at this first one. Do we think that one is a rhombus? Let's see. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same. Is that a rhombus? Yes. Good job, guys. That is a rhombus. All right, let's look at this one. All right, let's see. Does it have our 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what about our 4 sides that are all the same? 1, 2, 3, 4. It does. So that is a rhombus. Let's look at this one. All right, we're going to check our vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's check our sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is also a rhombus. It has 4 vertices and 4 sides that are all the same length. Now this next one is kind of tricky. I'm going to uncover it. What shape does that look like to you? It's a square. You're right. But a square can also be called a rhombus because it has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 sides that are all the same length, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square is a rhombus too, right? Now this last one is going to be kind of tricky, okay? I'm going to uncover it and I want you to tell me what shape you think it is. What does that one look like? A kite. You're right. Now, when we have a kite, let's see if all of our sides are the same. Let's see, this one and that one look the same, but this one right here and this one down here, those look longer. So can this one be a rhombus? No, that one is not a rhombus. So we now know that a rhombus has to have how many vertices? 4. And how many sides? 4. And what's special about those 4 sides? They have to be the same. You are right. Are you guys ready for your task today? So you guys have already gone on a shape hunt yesterday in your houses. So I hope that you were able to find some of those shapes. Now today, I want you to do another kind of shape hunt, and it's going to be for rhombuses, okay? Now, this is how you're going to test if it's a rhombus or not. You're going to get a string or a piece of paper, whatever you have that has a flat edge on it that you can use to measure things with. So you're going to use your string or your flat edge to measure the shapes that you find. So if you think that you see a rhombus in your house, you're going to use your string to measure the sides. So I'm going to use this one. Say I found this in my house, okay? I'm going to use my string. I'm going to use my string, okay, to measure the sides to see if they're the same. So I'm going to hold it up to the side and I'm going to pinch it right there at the end on the bottom where it ends. And then I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to see, is it the same length? It is the same length. And now this side, yes. And this side, yes. So there you have it. There is a rhombus, okay? Now I want you to take your string or your paper or anything that you have that's a flat edge, and I want you to go around and measure things and see if you can find rhombuses in your house. Remember, a rhombus has how many vertices? 4. And how many sides? 4. And those sides are all the same length. All right, have fun. We'll see you later.